Welcome back, everyone. Today, John and I are talking about a question people always argue about. Is money more important than happiness? And honestly, this topic never gets old.
Absolutely, Annie. This question connects to everyone because money affects our daily life, our choices, and sometimes even our relationships.
Let me start with a simple thought. Money is important, but I don't think it is more important than happiness. Because without happiness, money feels empty.
I agree to some extent, but I also think people often underestimate how important money is for happiness, especially when basic needs are involved.
That's true. Money helps us survive. It gives us food, shelter, clothes, healthcare, education, and security. And without these things, happiness becomes very difficult.
Exactly. If someone is constantly worried about rent, bills, or food, it's hard to focus on joy, peace, or personal growth.
But after a certain point, more money doesn't always mean more happiness. We have seen many rich people who still feel lonely, stressed, or depressed.
Yes, because happiness is not only about what you have, it's also about who you are, how you think, and how you live your life.
I know people with simple lives who feel content. They enjoy small things like family time, friendships, hobbies, health, laughter, and peace of mind.
That's a very good point. Happiness often comes from things that money cannot buy, like love, respect, trust, time, memories, and emotional support.
Let me ask you directly, John. If you had to choose between being very rich but unhappy, or having enough money but being happy, what would you choose?
Personally, I would choose happiness with enough money because being rich and miserable sounds like a painful life.
Same here, because money without happiness feels like carrying a heavy weight all the time.
However, I want to add something. Money can also buy comfort, convenience, and freedom, which can reduce stress and indirectly increase happiness.
Yes, money can save time. It can give better health care, safer living conditions, and more choices in life.
For example, having money means you can choose a job you like, take breaks, travel, learn new skills, and support your family.
But the problem starts when people make money their only goal and forget everything else.
Right, when money becomes the purpose of life instead of a tool for life, it often creates pressure, competition, greed, and fear.
I've seen people working day and night, sacrificing health, relationships, and peace just to earn more. And in the end, they feel exhausted.
And sometimes they don't even know why they are unhappy, because on the outside, everything looks perfect.
This reminds me of a common saying, money is a good servant but a bad master.
That's powerful, because money should serve our needs, not control our life or decisions.
Another thing is comparison. Money often pushes people to compare their lives with others, and comparison kills happiness.
Very true, when you compare your income, car, house, or lifestyle with others, you are never satisfied.
Happiness comes when you focus on your own journey, not someone else's success.
And happiness is also connected to gratitude, appreciating what you already have instead of chasing more all the time.
Let's talk about success. Many people define success only in terms of money, but success can be many things.
Yes, success can mean a balanced life, good health, meaningful work, strong relationships, and inner peace.
For some people, earning enough money to live comfortably and spending time with family is true success.
For others, success means following passion, helping others, teaching, creating, or making a positive impact.
So when we ask if money is more important than happiness, we should also ask, what kind of life do we really want?
Exactly, because a happy life looks different for everyone.
Some people are happy living in a small house with simple needs.
While others enjoy luxury, travel, and expensive experiences, and that also makes them happy.
Let's be practical for a moment. Do you think people say money is not important because they already have enough of it?
Sometimes, yes, it's easier to say money doesn't matter when your basic needs are already met.
That's why for someone struggling financially, money feels extremely important.
And that feeling is valid because survival comes before philosophy.
So maybe the real answer is balance. Money is important up to a certain level, but happiness should remain the priority.
I completely agree. We need money for stability, but happiness for meaning.
Money can fix money problems, but it can't fix emotional problems.
And happiness helps us handle life's problems better, including financial ones.
When someone is emotionally strong and mentally healthy, they make better decisions, even with limited money.
On the other hand, someone who is unhappy may misuse money, waste it, or never feel satisfied.
Let's talk about relationships. Money can cause problems in families and friendships if it becomes more important than people.
Yes, arguments about money are one of the biggest reasons for stress, conflict, and even divorce.
But when people communicate well and share values, money becomes less of a problem.
Because they focus on teamwork, understanding, and long term happiness instead of short term gain.
So, if a young person asks us, should I focus on money or happiness? What would you say?
I would say focus on building skills, character, health, and purpose. Money will follow naturally.
I would say, don't ignore money, but don't sacrifice your happiness, values, or integrity for it.
That's solid advice because happiness built on self respect lasts longer.
In the end, money is a part of life, but it should not become the whole life.
Happiness gives life color, meaning, and direction.
So, our final thought is simple: money is important, happiness is essential.
And the best life is one where money supports happiness, not replaces it.
Thank you for listening, everyone. We hope this conversation made you think.
Yes, think about what truly matters to you and try to find balance in your life.